Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make Japanese Jiggly Cheesecake. Let's get straight into it. So guys, we're going to start by adding in 100 grams of salted butter into a small pot on a medium heat, along with about 100 grams of cream cheese. And we'll also add in half a cup of full cream milk. And basically we just want to combine and melt this down on a low to medium heat. So we don't want it to boil. So while we're waiting for that guys, what I've got here is 12 eggs. And that's right, I did say 12. Now I've separated the yolks to the whites here. So for now we just need the yolks. Now do keep these at room temperature, it just makes it much easier to work with. And all we're going to do is just whisk this on a high speed. So basically we just want a nice pale colour like that. Alright, so as you can see it's starting to get a nice smooth consistency. So what we're going to do at this stage is also preheat our oven to 150 degrees Celsius. Alright, so once you've got a nice smooth consistency we're going to turn the heat off. And we're going to add this straight into our yolk mixture. And we'll just whisk that again to get it combined. So what we're going to do now is start by adding our flours. So we're going to start off with a quarter cup of plain flour, plus a quarter cup of corn flour, or cornstarch. Now we're just going to whisk this on low speed because we just want to combine it very carefully. We don't want any lumps. Just like that. So now we'll bring across our egg white mixture. Alright guys, so we're going to whisk our egg whites now. So make sure they are at room temperature. If you get them straight out of the fridge, it's very hard to whip. So we'll start by adding in a pinch of salt, as well as a quarter teaspoon of cream of tartar. This helps stabilize the eggs. Now I've also got 1 cup of white sugar here. We're going to gradually add this as the soft peaks form. So we'll start off at a low speed and eventually go all the way to high speed. So we'll start slowly adding the sugar in now. Once you have soft peaks like that, we're ready. So guys, I'm going to bake this in a springform tin. I've just lined it completely with baking paper and just covered the sides and bottom with aluminium foil, just to make sure there's no leaks. But what we're going to do is place that into another tray. So I've just got a larger tray here, I've just put some paper towel. We're going to fill this up with about 1 centimeter of water. Now we'll place this tin inside. So guys, we're just going to slowly add our egg white mixture into our egg yolk mixture. Now as you can see, I'm just using a rubber spatula for this because we're going to carefully fold this in. Don't use a mixer. So guys, you just want to get it well combined like that. This is one of those recipes where you have to really put the love into it. So we'll bring our tin back and we're going to carefully pour this into it. So guys, we're going to go ahead and put this straight into the oven now at 150 degrees Celsius. We're looking for a baking time of around 1 hour. It should almost double in size. Alright guys, so we're at the 1 hour mark now and I've just pulled it out. And just look at that jiggliness. That's how you know it's good. So what we're going to do now is take it out of this big tin, and now very carefully we're just going to release it. And then take off the paper. Carefully, because you don't want to tear this apart. So after taking all the paper off, we're just going to dust the top with some icing sugar. Just look at how beautiful that looks. And just look at that jiggle. So guys, just let that cool down for a bit before you serve it. Alright, so using a very sharp knife, we'll carefully cut into it. Now be careful not to put too much pressure because we don't want to deflate it, especially when it's hot. So all I'm going to do is just line this up so we get even slices. Just like so. And we'll carefully take it one slice up. I mean, seriously, just look at that. So as you can see, it's not that complicated to make. It is time consuming, but it's very cool. Like, imagine just showing the guide off it at the party. So guys, once you're done with it, you can put this into the fridge, but make sure it's in an airtight container. I wouldn't personally go more than about 3 days. And when you want to serve it, just slice and heat it back up. Even cold is nice. I hope you like that, guys. Please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.